Today I am discussing the concept of green audit, its mechanism and its implementation. The green audit concept is very important to maintain or to control the pollution level of city, of any organization, even of the society, as well as public and private sectors. Before starting the actual presentation, I want to give some background about the green audit concept, its implementation, and the act formulated by different countries for implementation of green audit. In 1970, US government passes Clean Air and Clean Water Act, and which says that the green audit concept to be introduced in the country. In 1975, the UK government issued the guidelines of environmental auditing, and in 1989, they have started the environmental charter for local government. In 1992, it was Earth Summit in Rio. So they have passed the gazette, or they have passed one resolution to start the environmental audit in each country. And in India, in 1993, India has accepted the environmental statement which states that industrial concerns and local bodies should feel that they have a responsibility for abatement of pollution. And in 2006, we have introduced a national environmental policy. And the role of Supreme Audit Institution of India, that is SAI, in the pollution control in case of India. This graph shows the survey of environmental auditing. So, which countries has done the environmental audit is to be understood from this graph. So, African countries, the percentage is 43%. In case of Europe countries, the percentage is 80%. In case of Asian countries, the percentage is 73%. So these are the aims and objectives of green audit. And from that, we can understand that how this green audit is important in the daily life of every sector. Thank you.